It's Friday, guys. We are here, and we got some tech tips for you today. It's little.
We got more than one?
Just
I'm
one.
only aware of one. We got one tech tip.
It's one tech tip. I had recently a few people contact me wanting to know how to wire up their turn signals and bumper lamps in their 180SX Kouki bumper conversion. Because they do not plug in. If you have a US car, the pigtails are not the same. So let's get one thing straight real quick, you guys. Pigtails versus jumper harness. You know what the difference is, right?
I mean, a jumper harness is a wire that you would use to bridge two existing wires.
Yeah.
Right?
They would have, but usually they have connectors on both ends.
Yeah.
So you plug into one side. They're plug and play.
Yeah.
Usually. Pigtail.
That would be a pigtail.
Yeah. Pigtail, you're going to have a socket on one end, splicey boy on the other.
Maybe it's a regional thing. Like certain parts of the country, they call it something else.
Whatever it is. I know that sometimes you can find companies that'll make a harness that'll plug into your factory harness and convert it over to whatever lamp you're using. But we like to use these. This is the factory pigtail. And we offer these on our website. But the this pigtail can be, you cut your socket off of your factory harness.
Existing.
Yeah, and then you're going to splice this in. And these little guys, I just showed you these today. Had you seen these before?
I have known about them for a while, yeah, but I've never had the pleasure of using one.
Yeah, these are little solder sleeves that Nissan has. And they have these in 26 to 30 gauge, 18 to 24 gauge, and 16 to 12 gauge. So depending on whatever kind of wire size you're using, this has solder in it. And then there's two little red lines on each end, and that's like a wax.
Sealing wax.
Yeah. So put it on your wire. Little demonstration video here, you guys. Now, I haven't done any kind of wiring work in a really long time. It's been since like high school. But I managed to do it, and it was pretty simple.
Yeah, looks like you did a good job. I'm looking at the finished product here.
If I did another one, it would be better. It would look factory finished.
Super Sano.
But I just wanted for you guys who maybe have not messed with wiring or anything like that, I think this is a much easier solution than soldering. It's
much cleaner too.
Yeah, and it's sealed up. I mean, you don't have to worry about that. I remember fighting with heat shrink as a kid, doing car audio stuff, and just like, I don't know if the heat shrink I got was cheap or what, but like it wouldn't seat down on the wires very good.
Did you have the right gauge?
It might not have.
Yeah,
it might not have.
That's frustrating too.
But yeah, we have these little pigtails for the bumper lamps and the turn signals, and if you need it for something else or different model, just ask us. We can look and see if we have them available. Not all pigtails are available from Nissan, which is a bummer.
Yeah.
But we will gladly help. Nissan does have a little bit of a better wiring program now. If you have a newer model vehicle, probably more likely to find oddball harnesses, like say a MAF plug or something like that, versus an older car where we probably can't get that.
Now, you had said that you tried pulling this apart. Should we do it on air, see if we can pull it apart?
Yeah.
See how far it goes.
Okay.
I'm just going to hold it.
Okay.
All right. Hang on.
I know. It's like you got a good grip on it.
All right. Now I got a good grip.
Yeah. Dude, it's not coming apart.
That actually works really good.
Yeah.
Let me see if we're...
Ah, my finger's stuck in there.
Let me see if I can just do it one person.
Dude!
Yeah, that's not coming apart at all.
There you go. I mean, we were kind of nervous about doing that because we were worried it would pop apart, but I'd given it a good tug.
See how red my face is? I mean, I'm not faking that.
Yeah.
This thing's... and it's crimpless. You don't have to crimp it.
Yeah.
I'm going to give it one more try.
Yeah, I mean, the only thing we need is some wire.
No, that's not coming apart.
Some wire cutters to splice into your wire, cut the sheathing off, and then, whatever your
heat
method.
It up.
Yeah.
Now, you used a heat gun?
One of the guys in the shop had like a little butane torch.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, I mean, you can see on the video here, it's got, I didn't show the end of it, but yeah, it just gets hot on the end there, and I put it right down to it, and the solder melt and spread down in there, and then you can kind of see those little wax pieces melt down.
Yeah, these are good.
But yeah, so get in the description of the video, you guys. I hope that this helps somebody, and maybe, you know, if you know how to do wiring, these might be new to you. Maybe you've never seen these. Our guys in the shop love those. Super clean finish. Put that thing on there, you're done.
Yeah, looks factory.
I hate doing solder. I used to hate it.
It's not easy unless you got this little alligator clip, the holder and all that stuff.
And if you mess it up, it's a mess to fix. It's just a pain. But anyway, let us know in the comments if you need a pigtail or wiring, whatever.
Yeah. What else we got? Is that it for the good folks today?
Well, we need to do our weekly giveaway announcement.
Okay.
So get in the comment section again this week, guys, in this video. Let us know all the things. And you'll be entered to win some Nissan parts.
Swag.
Yeah.
Nissan Parts
next
CC
week.
swag.
Weekly giveaway winner this week is Joshua Abhold. Now, Joshua made a comment that they had like 7 D21s and a bunch of Frontiers. And
At his house?
I think it's a shop.
Okay.
I can't remember. Tell us in the comments, Joshua. Give us some more detail. But I'd commented, like, do you own all those right now? That's a lot of vehicles. And they were like, yes. Impressive. So the Nissan fam runs deep.
Yes.
So are you watching What the Truck Wednesday?
You should be.
If you're not, you need to be. Yeah, for real. But yeah. Have the weekend, guys.
Yeah, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy the nice weather if you got some. And we will be back next week.
Yes.
With some more goodies for you.
Take care.
See ya.